Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations, and welcome back to my mess. And my today's a mess. Okay, I had a mess. I think it's my base, and I was doing something and it didn't turn out, and guys, I was so disappointed. So I'm gonna try it again, but I got some Bare Premium Plus now paint and primer. And I'm gonna use that just out of the can, and it is definitely thicker than that last batch. So anyhow, let me go ahead and spin it that way a little bit. Ow. Okay, let's move it this way. And it is very thick. So I think I'm going to have a better outcome than I did before. Let me add a little bit more. And we'll do some blooming. Just be blooming silly. How's that? Okay. Move that around a little bit and just spin it. Just to get it all over the place, right? Make sure I've got it. I'm not worried about the sides. I hope everybody's been having a great day. We had some gully washer rain. It's that time of the year, man, you can feel it coming because the humidity went up like 500%. Good grief. It was so nuts. So, oh, house paint sometimes drives me nuts. So let's try spinning some of that off, just a little, just to smooth it out. There we go. Alright, just to smooth it out, and that's what I did. Okay guys, so I'm going to be working. I had some beautiful blooms, and I hope it turns out. My paint is not real thick. I still think it was my base that was wrong. It just, everything kind of sunk into it, which is not normal, and this is not thin. It's a 50-50, so it's not thin. So I got Creative Inspirations, Dioxazine Violet, Pearl. Alright, I had some beautiful, and then I went with this beautiful Mineral Blue by Sooooo. Wait till you see this, right? I was going to put green, but I decided not to because green and purples don't always go together. So I'm going to put that. Then I'm going to put the, that's like a turquoise. This here I think is a Atelier phthalo green. And then this bright, pretty emerald green. Really like this. These colors are like wow. Okay? They are wow. And of course we'll put some gold here. And I have this dark purple that I'm going to put around the edges, I think. Yeah. It looked gorgeous. I mean, it was amazing. Okay. I'm not going to put anything else around it. I have a black cell activator, which I'm loving. Okay, here we go. Let's just see if this turns out better, huh? Alright, recipes are in the description. Ooh, suction. I can't get it off. Here we go, y'all. Oh, look at those colors. Can you see it? I don't want to move around too much. We're going to let it sit. They are dreamy. Ouch. I have a boo-boo on my surgery hand, so hoping it behaves itself. Let's go ahead and start another one. I've decided I like Sooooo and I like Creative Inspirations. They're a nice soft body paint. Which I like. And these are just mixed 50-50 with, what is it? Floetrol. And a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. That's all it is. And I don't even put a whole lot, unless it's super thick, I don't put a whole lot of water in any of these because it just doesn't need it. And I don't want them thinned down for this. Unless I'm doing a specific. Okay, here's my cell activator. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Woo! always feel like I need another one right about there. So let's go ahead and get that done. Maybe not too big, maybe about the same size. But yeah, this is one of my favorite new combination colors. What was next? The blue. Okay. Phthalo green. Got this on special, Jerry's Artarama. On clearance, really. Okay. Nice gold. I don't know why those are coming up, but they're... And then the black cell activator. Okay. There we go. Look at them. Ooh! Okay, now that is gorgeous. So in the meantime, while those are doing their thing, and yes, I'm not wiping it off in between. I'm kind of liking that little dollop of color. These turned out really pretty. Okay. Wow. And I think I did a mistake last time. I was adding some of my pretty leaves. And anyhow, added some pretty leaves and it didn't quite... I think I should have waited until after I spun it. Oh gosh, wait till you see these things up close. I have this feeling that this is going to go off, so I'm not going to mess with it, okay? I mean, why bother? This one might too, but we'll do that one. Those are pretty. Look at the colors. Let's see if I can bring you down. Oh, why not? Look at those colors. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, I'm going to bring it back out, y'all. Let me see. There we go. And I'm just going to spin it very gently because I am in love. I see a lot of beautiful blooms. People are doing bloom, bloom, blooms. I like the ones that look really like flowers. And then there's lots of people who don't and they blow it completely out. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing much more to this. Whoop. All right. I'm going to bring this in just a little. That and that. Do, 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 do. All right, so I'm going to be very careful with this one. All right. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Yep, this is my leaves. I'll show you how I do it. I'd have to take my gloves off. You ready? We're going to start up here, and then we're going to go divide it straight down. Isn't that gorgeous? Now this one, we're going to go like that. And then just continue with that one. Pretty, huh? And you can bring those out. I had some stuff that I showed earlier. I feel like I need to put some dark. I'm afraid to touch it. This is what happened last time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my phthalo green. I'm going to put a dot right here on my thing. And then do it like that. Okay. Be very careful. I did mess up over here, so I've got to be careful. I kind of like these. Oh, this is gorgeous. Right? Ooh. Hope this dries well. There's no gack or anything in my house paint. I'm gonna be done with this one. Oh, I say that. Then I look and see, do I need one in the middle somewhere? But I don't. Alright, let me put this aside and I'm gonna go get something and show you where I did this before and it turned out gorgeous. Alright, here we go. Didn't that turn out gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. This is ready to go. It's for sale, and I have a show this weekend, but yes, this is for sale, and if you're interested and I still have it, you can sure buy it. Alright. Alrighty. One gentle spin. Wish I hadn't taken my gloves off, but okay. Let's see what we can do here. I don't want to do too much. Okay, we're going to stop. I think that's perfect. Perfect, perfect. Alrighty. Ooh, my gosh, that's gorgeous. Woo, glory. Alright, y'all. Just remember that we also have a Let's Share Happy Art page. Y'all are welcome to join. Let your artsy friends know that we're on there. It's Let's Share Happy Art on Facebook. Oh gosh, this is a mess, and I have no gloves on. Have a few bubbles, and tell them to come and join our happy tribe. I'm trying to build it up, but you know, life's crazy, so oh well, right? Oh well. I had something, where is that I could set it on, but I can't do it here. I know what I can do. Hang on. I got a paper plate. I don't want to set it back down in that mud. So I get a paper plate, and we'll set it there for you all to look at. Look how gorgeous she is. Oh, wow. So I can make this into a beautiful wall piece. I can make it into a simple, what's it call it? A simple little trivet. Not simple, but a beautiful trivet. I'm looking for some bubbles. I do not want to, at this point, do not want to put my torch on that. These look very pretty, right? And they look like little sprouty leaves, right? Okay, y'all. I'm just chitty-chatting now, but I want to let you know I'm very thankful for each and every one of you. I'm thankful that you are here with me today. Spark some happy in someone else's heart, and you find somebody who hasn't had a smile on their face, and you know somebody just might. We can hug people now in most places, but here in the States, well, here in Tennessee we do. Totally open. And anyhow, give them a smile, spark some happy in someone's heart. You may be the only one that does. Okay, guys, this is my most beautiful piece, and I'm very thankful you got to share it with me. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time here on Happi Art Creations. Toodaloo. Goodbye now. Goodbye now. Toodaloo. Bye.